All right, so I'm doing work over here. I'm going crazy, not really going crazy, but having fun sealing the wheels. And I'm in here checking out all the good stuff that's inside the wheel well in the front, because I've all been working on the back so far. And I noticed there's a backing plate for a brake duct. And if you look at the details on it, it says, well, M, and then it says street. So I took that off. It's an 8mm socket. Took it off, comes off pretty easy, and lo and behold, not that this is any major revelation, but this vent on the bottom here for the radiator actually is a brake duct, cooling duct. I'm gonna say the word duct a number of times. So now when I did take it off, I noticed there was a number of rocks and debris. Now, I am driving on the street, so I'll leave it on. If I was driving on the track, maybe I would take it off. I probably could take it off by turning the wheel out a certain way. I just didn't want to have to, I was thinking about leaving it off, and then I'm like, well, I don't want to add more rocks and debris because these wheels already have a problem with brake clearance and scoring the inside barrel of the wheel. So we'll just leave that be. But I did want to show you that the M2 CS does indeed have brake duct channels to cool your brake area. So there you go.